David Ogilvy built Ogilvy and Mather into a global advertising agency and is widely considered a pioneer in modern advertising. In a 1982 interview, he revealed exactly how he would write a winning advertisement if he was starting from scratch. David's 7-step copywriting roadmap. 1. Research your product and your audience thoroughly. Before you put pen to paper, you gotta know your product like the back of your hand. What does it do? What makes it unique? How will it benefit your customers? Equally important is understanding your target audience. Who are they? What motivates them to buy? Once you have this info, you can create copy that speaks directly to their needs and desires. 2. Write down every fact and selling point about the product. Once you have a deep understanding of your product, make a list of all its features and benefits. 3. Determine what sets the product apart from its competitors. If you want your product to stand out in a crowded market, you gotta figure out what makes it unique from others. Identify its strengths and use them as a selling point in your advertising. 4. Develop a big idea that will capture the attention of your audience. Your big idea is the heart and soul of your advertising campaign. It needs to be a creative and captivating concept that grabs your audience's attention and keeps them engaged. 5. Write a headline that is impossible to ignore. When it comes to writing ads, the headline is super important. The headline is a critical part of your ad. It has to catch the reader's eye and make them want to keep reading. Use the big idea to craft a headline that is impossible to ignore. 6. Write the body copy using a clear and persuasive tone. The body copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. Use the list of features and benefits to highlight why your product is the best choice for your target audience. Focus on benefits rather than features, and use a tone that is engaging and relatable. 7. Write the body copy using a clear and persuasive tone. The body copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. Use the list of features and benefits to highlight why your product is the best choice for your target audience. Focus on benefits rather than features, and use a tone that is engaging and relatable. 8. Test. Use feedback and data to continually improve your copy. The last step is to test your copy and see how well it's working. Get feedback from your target audience and look at data on how your ads are performing. Use split testing to try out different headlines, body copy, and calls to action. Don't be afraid to make changes and improvements to your copy to make it as effective as possible.